this is Rocks. Today I'm doing one more product unboxing, and that one is a wireless keyboard. I'm buying this product from AliExpress around 12 US. So which types of product and what is the features inside the box, we will see detailed information. So let's start. I'm shipping the product via China to Denmark. It's very small and compact wireless keyboard and mouse, especially mini keyboard. Oh, it's really beautiful and small and compact. Look at this. And here is the mouse. Two cells are required here, battery. So I am putting here two batteries, and then I connect this one in my Windows system because I'm buying this specially on my Windows system. And this particular mouse needed also two batteries, and both devices are connected using one single Bluetooth. So that one is good features. And the quality is a little bit not really good, but you can use like an English keyboard. So I am looking such kind of keyboard for the coding point of view, because of my Windows PC's keyboard is not comfortable for me. So that's why I'm purchasing this one and just accessing. And some features also available here, like a mic features. You can play directly music, open directly on your email, go to the home menu and screen, and open here directly on new folder. Your battery is going on, how much percentage battery is available on your cell. So that point of view. So it's mini keyboard unboxing, and it's not so expensive. Accordingly price, the product quality is the same, not so good or not so bad. So if you really like this small unboxing about mini keyboard, so please hit the bell icon and press the subscribe button. We will meet upcoming unboxing video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.